keep it nice, flat. Basically, the more times you go over it, the flatter it is. Now, the problem with this is when I go over it both sides, if you come in close, you can see a wave in the middle. So that's a bit annoying to stand out for our sander. So, Andre, we broke the handle on our big trowel. So I normally just get one of the boys. Yeah, this is all wobbly, so if I try and hold it, it'll probably snap off. It's a bit sharp. You can slow grab it, and then very gently move it out. Perfect, yeah, don't get that wave down the middle. Nice and smooth, flat. Literally can't get better. That's it. If you've got a few more, you'll do them. And then you call one of the boys. Like I said, that handle's about to snap off. Normally you do it by yourself, but because I don't have it, you grab the D chains. You can do it yourself, but it's not enough pressure in the middle. So it's easy with 4 hands, and then it just leaves it dead perfect. So that's for all you DIYs out there. And that's it. I don't think we have any other big ones after that. And on to the next one. Look at this.
I'm just in time.
Yeah, you actually get lost in that.
Yeah, a little bit, and then one of the boys called me and he's having some dramas, so. The last videos were pretty successful.
Yeah, I've seen some of them got a fair few.
Yeah, that one with you on the trail is like I think my #1 video at the moment.
Which one? I think everyone was like gardening little buddies.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have to start. It's like even on our own page, as soon as we do something that's like really stupid or something, it tends to get the most.
Yeah, it's like that. Yeah.
Feel behind that one, Boris. Good one? You'll see, I'll find it out, bro.
How you been, bro?
Yeah,
Good?
very good.
That's good.
Keeping busy.
Yeah, that's good.
Like you did in the other video. That one's quite
You got a lot of good. You got a lot of good comments, though.
Yeah. Cool up.
DJ's not going to want to hit those butt joints too many times today.
Sorry?
You're not going to want to hit those butt joints too many times today. He got a bit of backlash from that, didn't he? Andre is back.
This is normal horrible. It's not the valve stuff? Oh. They must just maybe. So at the step? Yeah. Just a little taller.
Yeah, same.